What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. It has been a minute since we've been able to buy something at COPART, but today there's a couple of trucks playing. I want to try to at least get one of them. The first one up is going to be a 2005 Toyota Tacoma 4-door 4-wheel drive. It's bright red with 179,000 miles. And it's really not hurt that bad. I hope to pick it up, and the auction's about to start. And it looks like the high bid right now is going to Tennessee at $5,900. I'm going to try to get in here, but everybody's just kind of getting in here. I got the high bid at $6,100 for a second. Then it went to Texas and North Carolina. And now it's going to, still at North Carolina. Now Arkansas is in there at $6,500. I bid at $6,600. We just kind of keep the bidding going here. $6,700 to Georgia, $6,800 to me. I've still got outbid by Arkansas at $6,900. $7,000. I was kind of hoping to get the truck for around $7,000. Nope. Just got outbid by Arkansas at $7,100, which is not good. I mean, it's a 2005. I just bid at $7,300, so I got the high bid at $7,300. Just got outbid by Arkansas again, $7,400. Now Georgia's in at $7,500. So here we got a three-way battle. I just got the high bid at $7,600. Arkansas's back in at $7,700. So this is, I should really stop bidding because it's a nice truck, but it's going to be a rebuilt title truck. I got the high bid now at $7,900. It's just way too much for this truck. Georgia's got the high bid now at $8,100. I just bid at $8,200. I should really stop before I get stuck with this truck. $8,200. I got the high bid now. Nope. Now Georgia's got the high bid at $8,300, and I'm out. I think I'm just out. What's one more bid? $8,400. Maybe we'll get it, but that's too much. I mean, $8,400 is just really too much for this truck. Oh, Georgia just outbid me at $8,500. I don't know. I'm just not going to do it. Not going to do it. Sold to Georgia for $8,500. Well, there's another little truck that was playing right after a red one, and I forgot to record it. It was a 2009 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive, 2-door, 4-cylinder, 5-speed. And I really wanted to get that truck, but it went for too much. It went for $6,500 to Mexico, and I had to just let it go. And I don't want today to be empty and us come out with nothing. So there's another little truck that's about to play. And this one is a 2007 Tacoma, but this one is a 2-door, 2-wheel drive automatic. And I usually just don't buy 2-wheel drive trucks, but I don't know. I want to get something. So this thing is up next. It's about to play. The opening bid on it's $2,350 going to Texas. I just bid. Everybody's bidding on it right now. I bid again, got immediately outbid. So bid and immediately outbid. I can't even tell who's got the high bid. It looks like Texas now at $3,150. I just bid at $3,200, which is way too much for this truck. It's a clean title truck. That's about the only thing it's got going for it. Texas just outbid me at $3,250. I just bid at $3,300, and I should stop. I should stop bidding right now. And maybe today we just don't get anything. Alabama just outbid me, and I just bid back like impulsively at $3,400. It's on reserve. It's got 216,000 miles. It just went to bonus time. So $3,400, and I've got the high bid. Well, just like that, it's on approval. So they're going to have to decide if they want to take $3,400 for it. I don't know. Honestly, I think that's too much. Like, I just overpaid. If I were to get it, I just overpaid for it. So $3,400 for a 2007 with 200,000 miles. But, you know, we might as well be doing something. So maybe they'll take it and maybe they won't. Let's wait a few minutes and see what happens. Well, guys, they decided to take the high bid. So there she is. $3,400 was the high bid. Cost me $4,300 with fees and shipping to get it delivered here. And here is the damage, which is not too bad. I mean, the hood's not up just yet, but got a little bit of damage up front. We fixed this a bunch of times. And then the roof is kind of peeling like they usually do. But driver's side looks okay. And the inside of the truck, like it's a little bit dirty. It's got a little Kenwood radio in it, which is pretty cool. Old school CD player. It's got no power, nothing. So just roll up and down windows and manual door locks. Little automatic, 200,000 miles. Air conditioner works, already checked that. The bed, just a little bit dirty, full of pine needles. And I don't know, this guy, he liked the Vols and he liked to go to different local breweries, it looks like. But the little truck looks okay. You know, the back, it all looks okay. The passenger side looks okay, with the exception of this fender right here. And then I've already sprayed that. First thing I did is I sprayed that. Put a little bit of penetrating oil on there. Try to get a little PB blaster. So I'd like to get this antenna off. You know, I can never do that. But this is the damaged area, which, you know, like I say, it's not too bad. I've fixed this kind of damage a lot of times. So we can see in there, like you can't really tell a lot about it till we kind of get everything tore down. But it's a little 4-cylinder. So just a little, you know, run around truck. Got a few pine needles. And what I think I'll do is get the pressure washer out and kind of clean everything up. And then I'll pull it into the shop and take that front end all the way down, take it apart, kind of get some parts ordered for it. I don't want to spend a ton of money on it. I do want it to look pretty good though, so we got to spend a little bit. I mean, $4,300, maybe I can spend $1,000 on it. And heck, I don't mind. I'll drive this thing around all summer, back and forth to the shop and out to the garbage dump and hauling parts. It's a good little truck. So let's get the pressure washer out and get it cleaned up, get it in the shop, and get straight to work. Man, just a few short minutes, I got the whole front end tore down on this truck. And it's not too bad. Just push back a little bit right in here. So I got to kind of pull that back. And then I'm like 0 for 25 on getting that antenna off. I wound up having to cut that one too. So it's not too bad. Like everything's just concentrated into this area right here. So I think I'll go ahead and line everything up. So I'm gonna tie it down and get the pulling ram out and maybe get the jerk stick out, start pulling some of this radiator support stuff back out. I think everything will square back up fine. Here at the shop, I don't have a frame machine, so I always use a pulling ram, and I use this post. Just tie the truck down at the back, and then the post is tied here to an anchor in the floor. And then this is just soft metal here. So I'm gonna try to just pull that stuff right back out and see how it all looks. It's not that hard to do, but I definitely have a frame machine on my wish list. I think I'm gonna try to build a new building out here and maybe just set a new building up with a frame machine in it. Man, that would be awesome. But that's a future episode. For the right now, I'm gonna pull this radiator support out. We about got all of that pulled out, and man, it is looking really good. All this in here is all pulled out. All this right here is all pulled out. And I got the tram gauge out, kind of just measuring the square to see how everything is. And it is really, really close. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the parts. I'm gonna order a new hood. I'm gonna order a new fender, a new bumper, a couple of new headlights, and they should be in here tomorrow. So we can have a nice test fit and see how it all goes. And man, when you got some pulling rams, a porter power, and you can tie that thing down, you can pull this easy stuff right back out. I'm really, really proud of the way everything's coming together. So let's just take a break quick, wait on the parts to get here, and we'll get a test fit, and then we'll start getting things painted, getting this truck put back together. While I was waiting on the parts to come in, I completely wet sanded the entire top of this truck. Just got our new fender, we got our new headlights, the new hood, the new bumper, and I've been waiting for all that stuff. So let's give it a nice test fit and see how it all looks. So we got a nice little initial test fit, and everything fits pretty good. This gap over here is a little bit wide as it gets toward the end. Not too bad, I can adjust that out. This aftermarket stuff, sometimes you don't get the best fit, but for a 2007 with 216,000 miles, that's a pretty good initial test fit, I'd say. And there's a couple of things that I still need to do. I need to fix a couple of spots on the roof, and then I'm gonna prime the whole roof and prime a couple of spots around. Then I'm gonna paint these parts and blend the fender and blend on the doors and make this truck look really good. But definitely let me know in the comments below what you think about this little two-wheel drive truck, because I think it's coming along nice. And in the next episode, we'll get it completely put back together, 100%, clean it all up, shine it all up, and take it for a test drive. We ran out of time for this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a follow on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. Turn those post notifications on because you don't want to miss out on anything. We'll catch you guys next time in the next episode of Orange Wires Garage. We're out.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I